Hello again, friends, and welcome to the latest episode of If This Car Could Talk. As many of you know, we're based in the Phoenix, Arizona area, and there's not one, but two major Goodguys shows here in Scottsdale every year. Each March, Goodguys, along with their event partner Phytech Fuel Injection, kicks off their 15-show season in style, and the season concludes every November with Speedway Motors sponsoring one of the best shows of the year in the Valley of the Sun. The November gathering also displays some of the major award winners from previous shows, and one of our favorite categories is Muscle Car of the Year. One of our favorite cars of all time is the Pontiac GTO Judge. So this year's winner, a 1969 model, did not disappoint. Belonging to Frank and Terry Szymkowski, along with their son Frankie, the family had all traveled to Arizona from their home in New Jersey to attend this colossal event with their prized Pontiac. This GTO was among some of the finest restorations we've ever seen. We hope you enjoy this car as much as we liked seeing it and making the video.
How you doing? My name is Frank Szymkowski. My son Frank Jr. We're from southern New Jersey, and we have our 69 GTO Judge here at the show. And it's an original Warwick Blue Judge. Original drivetrain, all numbers matching from front to back. 56,000 original miles. Ram Air 3 4-speed car. This actually is a die-cast made in this car. And there's our name on the back.
From McCacken. Yeah.
Yep, McCacken, yep. So we were there in 18 with it.
Nice.
So that's that. Like I said, the engine, drivetrain, all original. The engine and trans were never even rebuilt. They just changed the fluids in it.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
So.
How many miles did you say?
56,000. I know all the owners back to the second owner. The car is completely restored just the way it left the factory, except for it had white walls. Couldn't put white walls back on it, so I put the raised rod lettering for the next. They weren't available in 69, they were available in 70. So I did that. Other than that, it's just the way it came. No power brakes, four wheel drums.
Right.
Original blue interior.
So it was restored, but all of this is original?
The seats and the dash are new.
Oh, okay.
But the door panels are original.
Wow.
And
That's beautiful.
the spoiler was a part of the Judge package. The wheels did not have trim rings on them as a part of the Judge. The engine, which is a Ram Air 3 or Ram Air 4, was a Judge package, part of the Judge package. We've had the car about 10 years now. We bought it from Florida. It was restored in Iowa. And it's one of 11 or 12 found in the world in this color.
That's rare to see this color.
There's a registry, 69 Judge registry. And that's how many in the registry. Who knows how many are out there? Who knows how many they're made?
Left?
GM never kept numbers on colors.
Yeah.
So we don't really know. I mean, who knows? Maybe 100 or so. But most of the Judges wore that carousel red, which is that orange color.
Yeah.
And probably 3,000
Jim
that.
Winger's car.
Yep.
Yep. Awesome.
No console.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Originally came from Indiana. There was a reproduction window sticker of it.
You did your work.
Myself did some of the detailing work, and like I said, a restorer in Iowa did it. A name escapes me, but he didn't. I bought it from the guy who already got it done.
Yeah.
So
you didn't deal with him directly.
No. But it was 90% done when I bought it.
Wow. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Would they care if you started it?
I could probably start it, sure.
Just a short one.
Yep.
All right. Anything else you want to add?
No, it's a great show. I'm happy to be here. Weather's
Your
beautiful.
First time here?
First time here, yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
See, now you're not going to want to go back to New Jersey.
It's snowy and rainy down there right now.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks to our new friends, the Szymkowskis, we were able to bring you this car in full detail, and we hope to meet up with them again sometime soon. What do you guys think of this Judge? Any memories of a similar car? Now tell us in the comments. Join us again next week, and thanks for watching.